Okay, um, we're we're now in the site. We're doing some updates of the newly built house here in Riverside. Let's begin. Yeah, we still have some corrections here. As I notice, this edges here. It was flat before they did the cornering, and also for this one, cornering. Hopefully they're gonna start doing the stucco. That's for the ring doorbell. And as we go in, yeah, for those who ask about the stairs, there's gonna be a stair panel here, so the entrance of the stairs will be this way. You go this way and then you go right, turn right that way. But anyways, not for that. Start for the first room right here. This one can be the guest room or office. I already thought of purchasing like a sala, like sofa bed and something like that. But anyways, that's the bathroom. As you can see right now, they started putting the drywall. A lot of series of electricals and wirings before the drywall, which is good. I think there was 3 different inspectors or inspections done here. This is the laundry area, and then they finalize the route wherein they're gonna be plugging the washer and dryer, and that's gonna be the exhaust for the dryer. It's a nice room. And again, that's the smart wall wherein you'll find all the goodies for the internet, telephone lines and other stuff. This is gonna be the kitchen. So there's going to be an island there. The whole part of the kitchen is from there to that point over here. Okay, see a brief. So that's the pantry. We don't really like a big pantry because we don't want to stock all those food that needed. Anyways, that's the room for the fridge, and that's the hallway. That's the garage door, and beside it is the cabinet or closet. Okay, so let me just pan the camera from here. As always, they probably want to go home early. It says in the note there to clean up after each day of work, but obviously, but it's all right. I mean, no complaints as long as so that's the drywall, and this is the living room area slash dining room area. I'll try to go out in a bit. That's our backyard out there. Let me just have a quick view out there. So that's the backyard. All right, so let's proceed. Just need to watch my step. It's a very nice ceiling. Those orange or red things over there are the sprinklers. The sprinklers, they're scattered. All right, so that's the ceiling. Let's try to go upstairs. So this is the way. It's gonna have a banister here. Okay, all right, so we go up. Wow, it's echoing. It's different when there's drywall. All right, so sorry, it's so messy right now. We'll proceed to the loft. Left is to the loft. Okay, so that's the loft. Okay, let's see a different angle. So that's the window. You can see the roof. That's the loft. It's quite a mess. It's like a scene from a hurricane or something. Oop, watch our steps. Anyway, we have measured this already. Seems to be the measurement that the what do they call this? The lady wrote in our brochure. Seems to be accurate. And this is the great room. Or no, owner's room. This is the owner's room. We only have one window, but it's a big size window. Bathroom is still under construction, but there's just drywall in there. It's just dark, no light yet. So it's gonna be the double vanity shower and toilet. This, she said that this is for me because there's a smaller space. It's a bigger one for her anyway. So yeah, so we saw the loft, and this is the owner's room, and we go to the hallway, and that's the vent going on HVAC. Okay, let's say the third room. Yeah, personally I like this room. It faces the street. See, the car is over there parked, and has a fair size of closet. Inside the closet there's sprinklers with the window. Open closet. Yep. And the bathroom here with the tub. Still work in progress. And this room, I thought that's gonna be a small room, but it looks like it's just fair. I think it's 11 by 12, or yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. All right, so that's it. Just the drywall installation. At least we saw it before they installed the drywall. Again, it's very simple. Let's go down. Just wearing Birks. Watch your step and watch your head. Alright. Let me just go real quick and show you the garage. Garage is the garage right now. It has a drywall. I like how the ceilings are really high up there. Imagine how many bikes you can put on. Just kidding. Anyways, it's yep. Still a work in progress. And again, this is what I love about this. I requested for this one. See, right now it's empty. But if I hire electrician to install a NEMA charger for the EV, it's ready right there. So yep, that's the garage. Let me just if it's safe, show you on the side. There's a side door. Okay, and then that's gonna be where the water heater will be installed. And yeah, I think I covered everything already. So it's still a mess, but I'm happy that they already installed the drywall. Our neighbors had their stucco done already. See, we have the bags there. But that's it for now, and we'll see you on the next video. Adios.